I took a razor.
That's what I used to do.
And get the beady ball, the little beady balls off.
Y'all know about them chafing beady balls
Yes.
under your arms and between your thighs.
Yeah, when you fat.
You know about the beady balls.
When your arms rub against your big breast.
Oh my goodness, child. They know that they took a razor to a shirt or two.
Yes.
Or a sweatshirt.
Yes.
So guys, hello. Thanks for watching. I am actually out to lunch. We're about to go to Hot Juicy Crawfish in Falls Church. Me, my sister, and mother.
Mommy!
We didn't get to do anything for Mother's Day for each other, so that's what we're doing now. So I will turn the camera back on when we get in. We're just trying to find the joint. We're just walking around. It's a beautiful day. Look. I think we saw somebody in a getaway car on 66. It was real dramatic. I had to take some hemp oil because Lord have mercy. But yes, we made it here in one piece.
He act like he about to come up on the curb.
Oh
like
my goodness. Little people, don't stay on the inside of the sidewalk, not by the little people. Alright guys, check you when I get in. We just ordered our food, you guys. It's our first time here, so we just got, I don't even know what we got. A little bit of everything or whatever it's called.
Yeah, she's
What did we get? I was just telling them what we got.
We got
the drool.
Oh, the drool.
Shrimp, crawfish, shrimp,
Crab legs. We got it in the hot and juicy sauce, mild. Did we get mild?
mild.
We just got a little bit of kick.
And they got catfish.
Catfish with fries.
And Cajun fries.
Right. We had a soiree with stuff.
We were literally.
No, we did not.
Girl, she want to slurp on some mussels, y'all.
Mussels are good.
I don't do all that extraness. But we were here. We were the very first
I don't
people
like
here.
oysters
Like,
raw. I like them fried.
no, it was at 12.
I tried them fried too.
They're good.
So that was successful. I like to be on time, y'all. My mom got a Shirley Temple.
Sydney.
Mom got a Shirley Temple. I got ginger ale. That's the only soda I drink, y'all. If I drink soda at all. I will let you guys know,
Look at this other picture.
show you guys the food when it comes out.
All of us.
I'm just looking at
He was the only
old
guy.
school pictures on Facebook.
Oh my goodness.
Alright guys. She taking pictures with her Shirley Temple, y'all. She got her gloves on. She ain't even get the food ain't even come out yet, y'all.
Mom.
She got her gloves on.
No, that don't. That
Oh, that's so pretty. Look at her. She done filled in her eyebrows.
okay.
Oh, she's sipping her Shirley Temple. It's so cute. I'm on Facebook.
No, I'm not.
Oh,
I'm taking
okay.
pictures.
Oh, okay. I'm taking pictures.
Mom, hold on 1 second. Let me take a picture.
Look like.
We're just waiting, guys, for this feast to go down. Have y'all been hot and juicy? What do you think about it? Comment below. Let me know.
Oh my goodness.
Do you have a filter?
No, I don't know about all that stuff.
What? You don't know?
I don't like that. Oh wait, let me see. I might like it though. I might like it.
And I do like it.
I look like I had a stroke in the face, but it's okay.
You don't.
You have a what?
A stroke in her face.
Don't say those.
No, it looked like that in the picture.
No, it doesn't.
Right.
Oh, okay.
No, it doesn't. You don't know what it
I'm
looks
serious
like.
about my angles, y'all, because you know what I'm
Can
saying.
you stop that right
You
now?
know what I'm saying.
Know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying?
Yes, yes. Let me see your angles. I know I taught you.
I don't have angles.
Let me see. Extend your
Let me
neck.
find
Oh
this
my
picture for
gosh.
this lady.
Look at her neck. Extend
Okay.
your neck. You look like something wrong with you. Yes, yes, that's cute. Oh, look at her. She is so
Oh, that's cute.
Yes,
That
honey,
is not-
duck
That
lips.
was cute.
Yes.
Let me find this picture for her. It was
Alright, the next thing you see is food. Because I hope that's the next thing I see in Jesus' name. Amen. Oh my goodness.
Thank you.
Oh, do we get the sample crawfish?
Oh, I was gonna ask you, but I thought you guys decided to go for the.
Look at that. Look, that's catfish. There's fries under there, guys. These are, what is this? Oh, this is the calamari. It's Cajun calamari, guys. So it's about to get down. Yes, indeed. Wait, it's the calamari?
Cajun calamari.
Is it really that serious?
Go ahead.
Mona.
Go ahead.
She is a baby. You know she a baby, y'all. Here's my piece. It's got pretty good amount of seasoning on it. I'm dipping in this sauce they give you.
Got a little kick to it. Yeah.
It definitely has a little kick. It definitely warms your throat. It's sure. It definitely warms your throat.
Oh no.
It'll warm you up.
Mom.
I don't like the ones with legs on.
I don't either, but.
Chill, baby. But you're eating mussels and all this. You're eating crab legs and stuff. I don't like the one with legs on it. I don't either though, y'all. It's a mental thing.
It is.
I should eat one. Cause we can't all eat the rings. Look at the sausage, guys.
The shrimp have the head on it too?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
It is.
You like that? Tasty. Can you see?
What part
Like
of
that?
what part of the crawfish do you eat? This part or just the tail?
Let me try to figure it out. Let me
bring you up.
look like a little lobster. So on the menu, it tells you how to eat these, right? Gives you directions. And it tells you how to, break it apart. Then the next thing is, it says you can suck the head. Mom gonna say all out loud, I ain't sucking no head.
Oh, hell no! Wait, what was this?
Why you on the phone?
Nah.
And then that's why we were laughing.
You are crazy. Let me eat this corn for you guys.
Let me get a little bite.
Don't eat it like that. Slop. I know.
Very good. It's sweet.
No, chew that first. And then,
She eats too fast.
I know, Blake, eat that.
I was at Miss Brown's house yesterday, and I had a salad. We went to the store, and I got a salad bar at Shoppers.
We had gone to the
We had gone to the after we left the credit union, getting my background check paper notarized. And I got back to our house to eat.
Spicy.
And she said, Mom, I've never seen anybody eat slow. I said, you should see my sister. She was too fast. You tried.
Blake, Mama, Blake. See, her face doesn't look like the way she eats. Doesn't it?
They mad I eat good. They mad.
You don't
Take
eat
the
like
towel, Mom.
Let me move my phone.
You took a crawfish. And you hold it by where the tail connects to the body.
Yeah.
Pinch it. twist it, kind of like pull it down and out,
Yeah.
then that's all your meat.
Oh, I was gonna eat that stuff inside the other one.
Peel around. No, don't eat the stuff inside the head.
Oh, I just suck.
You can bite down the head. With all the juice that comes out, so it all gets stuck up there.
Yeah, so you
But
don't eat
besides
anything
that,
else and that's it?
just the tail.
That. Like a lobster.
Like a lot.
Just
Okay.
the lobster.
Thank
Just
you.
little baby lobsters.
Good. Now let me see how it tastes.
Let's see if she can do it herself, y'all.
Okay.
Sis.
Go ahead, girl.
What you about to dip it in? We should have got some butter. Don't you eat butter with yours? Can you? No, nobody can push my sleeves up.
Yeah, I can.
No, you can't. You got fish all over you.
That was pretty good.
Oh, like aggressively. So, okay, good.
That was pretty good.
I have corn in my teeth, y'all.
That's what you get.
She said that's what I get. Because I ate corn.
Where's another one?
Money, one corn.
Did you get one? Yeah.
No, I don't know. You can keep it. I'm gonna try.
You know we from the DMV, you know, Maryland's where the crabs come from, y'all, so we like some crab. Wow.
They say blue crabs.
Oh, they got a lot.
They don't sell them by the dozen. They sell it by the pound. But you can get 2 crabs for a pound.
Right.
For $14. These
fries is good.
They are.
These what?
Fries.
Yeah, I'm a fried person. Sorry, Jade Fit. I'm cheating today. It's Mother's Day dinner. Lunch.
Oh, I'm gonna get the sauce. You got sausage?
Yeah, I got No, you're fat. When you dance, when you eat here.
No, don't do that, please. Don't do that. Don't do that. Y'all don't look like y'all should be doing that.
He's embarrassing her. You're embarrassing her.
You're 50 years old.
Let me see. Let me see.
Go together.
No.
You know what's funny? Anytime I do that little I do that in my house. Jag starts dancing, me and him start dancing. He's always with it. Anytime. I love it. On her inner thigh?
No. She gonna get a lock. She gonna get a chain, a padlock
She said that's not nice.
around her waist.
That's cute.
You are. A chain, like a link chain with the padlock lock tattoo. Cause you locked down.
Yes, sis.
Well, that's I would never put that on you.
So, just to let you guys know, I'm done eating all this other stuff. I'm ready for them to bring me some more crab legs.
Sweetie. The fries.
I didn't eat like all the
Look at
crabs.
y'all's mess. Look at mine. Neat.
This is the trash bucket, isn't it? Let's put it. Let's shove it. Let's shove the trash in there so we can get our crab
Put
legs.
that in there. We have to eat it.
I'm about to dump the bowl and take the bowl out. Is it? Can I dump the bowl or no? Okay. You can eat those crumbs. Look at this. Look at this hot and juicy sauce. We had to buy. Look, we had to get us a whole bag of crab legs because I wasn't trying to deal with all that rubbish. I mean the crab. I mean the corn. The corn and the sausage. delicious and all that, but I was trying to get to this right here. Right here.
Wait.
Look at this on my finger, y'all. It's kind of sweet. It kind of has a sweetness to it, doesn't it?
It's good.
This is hot.
Yes, ma'am, Pam. So when is the consultation? You gotta let us know so that we can be on
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Okay.
No, I'm not getting that. We're just doing a consultation.
So she needs counseling or something before you do that type of a thing.
Yeah. Well, let me tell you. Let me ask you something. You all, I think you all are attracted to one another, blah, blah, blah. So why would you have conversation? Because I'm thinking,
To make sure that's what you really want to do.
no, but that's a permanent. Well, it's not permanent, but it's. Why would you want to go through two and if you change your mind?
I doubt if I do that.
But why? Because I'm thinking this person must feel like me if she wants it.
Well, that's a lot of
They enjoy penetration. Exactly.
Okay.
they get the
Straps and all that.
and all that. Yes.
Well, they had this why would you do that for a minute?
You haven't even noticed her voice is deeper. She's been taking testosterone. You haven't seen.
Are you mad?
Happy Mother's Day.
See, I don't like that.
I'm just kidding. It's a joke. It's a prank. It's a prank.
Got him!
I was what?
Prank. Oh my god.
You be in the movie.
Got.
You also be in the movie.
You got.
Oh my god. Merda.
What do I look like doing something crazy like that?
See, that's what I'm saying. I said, no, to me, you're
I was laughing too much. You couldn't tell.
Cause she funny.
no, you were laughing. I was thinking you were laughing because of me.
Yeah. Her reaction.
Reaction, not laughing
Because she's breaking character.
Yeah,
I am strictly.
that's what I thought.
That was funny.
Nothing no anything from me.
That was funny. You thought your daughter was about to get a ding-a-ling. How do you feel?
Didn't you see you all?
It's a prank.
How did I know it was a
We thought that you probably had a heart attack in the bathroom.
That's why I was coming after you.
Are you kidding?
Yeah.
No, I was in there talking to myself.
What were you talking about, girl?
No, I just know, Lord, please, I know she's not going to do this. Whoever this person is, I need to meet them. I need to meet them and see what's in the world. I said, she didn't have a girlfriend.
Alright guys, if you like that prank, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
Mona.
Real vlog.
Wait.
Love you guys.